Hello YarnTubers, welcome back to Wanderlust Crochet with Dana and Jack. Have you tried Paintbox Simply Cotton Yarn? Today we're giving away a color pack of 10 balls of this beautiful soft yarn. I'll give you the details of Paintbox's exceptional cotton yarn, then I'll show you a few projects made with it, and then I'll explain the giveaway. And here's a hint, you can enter more than once, so stick around to find out how. Paintbox yarn is probably some of my favorite of all time. This particular 10 pack consists of 10 balls of 100% cotton. It's a 4-weight. The balls are 1.76 ounces and each of the balls are 93 yards. That's 930 yards for the winner to use in a project. They recommend a 4mm hook, which is my favorite size hook, and that link is in the description box. Right now there are a few different color packs available, but that changes from day to day. They are having trouble keeping up with demand. So by the time we choose a winner, there will be different packs. So what I want to know is, what are you going to crochet with this 10 pack of cotton yarn? Picture yourself opening up this package coming in the mail, grabbing your hook, and what are you making? I want you to think about that. I was thinking about it myself, so I went to the Love Crafts website. I went to that link that's in the description box that brings up this 10 pack of cotton yarn, and if you scroll down a little, you can see some projects made. So I took some pictures, some screenshots, and I'm going to show you some that kind of caught my eye. First up is this darling Amigurumi advent calendar designed by One Dog Wolf. These little cuties, this is a unicorn and a horse. They're change purses designed by Criterific Crochet. This one's my absolute favorite. The Autumn Rhapsody pillow by Nana's Crafty Home. So here's how to enter the giveaway. I want you to tell me, by going to the link in the description box to look at the packs available, tell me which color pack you like, and then tell me what you can picture yourself making with that color pack. You can comment once a day with a different idea. The winner will be announced on Monday, August 28th, so be sure to watch for that. Okay? Okay, I love you guys. Bye.